Welcome back to the channel. I am a little small, tiny, puny man who gets in envy sometimes for the children. I'm not sure that was a good introduction, but my point is here that I purchased some RGB LEDs for the kids' room that made me envy, and I wanna get my own. Best reason ever to purchase something. Good. So let's do some unboxing for smart lighting and install and so game room lights. I think that's the correct term these days. Okay, so I gotten my hands on some Yeelight. Did I pronounce it like Yeelight? Yeah. Yeelight. Excuse me for butchering English.
No, you didn't.
Okay.
This time you didn't, actually.
Okay, so these are these were.
These ones are broken now.
So these are game room decoration lights that you put on your table or leave it on background when you're gaming or something like that. There's the base unit that you always need, and then these are like the extra lights that you can pile on top of those. That's the basic idea of these. I don't know how many you actually can pile. Tens, I think. I might have to check that later on. Okay, now we can start with unboxing them, then I will show you the software and what they actually look like connected on. Let's start with the base unit. This is something that you need to purchase to get the other parts working. Free build and design. This wasn't free. I'm not sure about the design. PC screen and game sync. Dynamic lighting. RGB multicolor. Music sync. Desktop control. Android iOS app. And this should work together with the Razer's Chrome gaming gear, mice, headsets, keyboards and so on. Let's see. This must be the base unit. No, I think this is actually the base unit and this is light, because there's, I think these will give power to it and you insert it, oh yeah, there, and it's with magnets so it will hold. There's just the AC plug on the side, and I think this is the UK head and the one that we use in the Nordics. Oh yeah, and there's also the US head. Manual.
Don't need it.
Okay, so this is the base unit. This sticker comes off, so we can just pile other units on top of that. Let's pile this matrix extension. There's nothing in the box besides the extension.
It's like building blocks for nerds.
True, Legos for nerds.
Legos are for nerds.
True, yeah. But they don't have RGB LEDs.
Not yet.
Spot extension. A spotlight.
No.
RGBs, and you can tilt it from pushing it, so you can kind of shoot it to the direction that where you want it to be shown. And panel extension. Looking at this way, it's just the same as the matrix, but when we power it on, I think that will be different. Most likely. Okay, now some magic and I will clean this mess. Okay, now let's power up this tower of power.
Oh,
Should this be working?
probably. Oh, there we go.
Oh, okay.
Is the top one the same than the first one?
Yeah, it is. The base unit comes with the same as this add-on. Okay, so to use it, we need to install app on the smartphone or tablet. So let's do that next. Alright, so to control this power of tower, we will need an application. I will be using my iPad and recording the screen so you see what I'm doing. Alright, let's log in. You have to choose server where you log in and where you give your account information. The options are Singapore, China mainland and United States. Now here's an issue. While I'm European, I don't really like to give my information to server which isn't located in Europe, because in worst case scenario I can't recover or delete or control how that data is used in anyhow, because the GDPR is only a thing here in Europe. So giving information outside Europe, it's a bit risky, but for the reason of showing this, I have to do it. Yes, I will allow it to connect devices at station. Alright. Smart lamp. There are different kind of things that you can actually add. Now I need to scan the QR code from the button, or at least it should be one of these. Add here, right? Connecting. This might take a few minutes. Unable to add accessory, failed to pair. Please reset. How do you reset the device? Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. 1 minute after powering the device, okay? I'm guessing it's this. You can push that. What you can push here? Oh no, it's not a mechanical switch, it's a feel which fits switch.
Touch.
Touch, yeah. No, it's blinking, that should be read. Just scan the code again. Easy and fun.
Yay, lights.
Unable to add access. What the? Device not found. By instructions, it should be in pairing mode. Oh no, I get to name it. So it works. LAN control. So I can give access to third-party protocol. Protocol is mistyped. So basically, I can control them from my PC. How does it work if I add something new here? Should this? Okay, power's on and off. But how do I let it know that there are more lights on the lamp? The firmware of this. Okay. Let's update the firmware. User comment. I can't read that. That's only in Chinese. That's a kind of a risk purchasing devices like this that haven't been really localized. I don't know what's it doing at the moment. Okay, the firmware update is done. So in the app you can add what way the tower is. It's up. No, it's but you define where the base unit is. So you can define it from left, right, down, up, and then you just add in tiles. I have this there, then this, and then this, and okay, that was quite good. Different kind of schemes here. Settings, Aurora.
Oh, that's nice.
Starry sky, Starry.
Okay, Chinese people.
Spectrum, streamer,
Oh,
bonfire,
that's nice. I like this one.
waves, rainbow, waterfall.
Except it's going from down to up.
I think I can change that from somewhere. I can change the brightness. Yeah. Start to create. I can create and I can customize it quite freely here on the app. I don't want to do it at the moment. Clock mode. What does this do? 3 or more dot matrices are required to unlock. Also, if I have 4 of these, I can do it as a clock.
Oh, that's cool.
I can change the quick settings from the menu here. Yeah. There's the music flow, so basically you playing something from the Spotify, you can just have it following the tunes. Community. I think that's kind of a place where you can find some, or you can download some presets that others have done. That's cool. That's what you can do in the app. It was quite simple after a few resets. That might have been my failure to do it properly, but I got it to work. I will now just kind of wait until it gets darker and take a few shots of what this setup really looks, because me just sitting here in a sunny couch doesn't do much.
Yeah. But the spotlight is so powerful that it's giving me a migraine. So beware.
So I won't be using these in the bedroom?
No, not the spotlight. Why would you want? Okay, never mind.
No, but I will, like I said, when it gets darker, I will do some fancy setup images and show these to you, so what it actually looks like in a better environment. But that's all I had to speak for now, so... Okay, I've been now using the devices for 3 weeks, and once you get them running, they work perfectly. There aren't any issues there. However, the installation process is still pain in the ass. I tested this with 3 different devices, Android and iOS. With every one of them I had similar issues that I've already displayed on this video before. The best way to get the pairing working is to keep the pairing device about 5 centimeters away from the base unit. Yeah, pain in the ass. I tested the PC software that I downloaded from the official site. Once I've installed it, my WithSecure antivirus program detected a malware within the program. there are two possible reasons for this. As the program is trying to control other devices over the network, this might be one of the reasons that the antivirus program sees it as a malware. Or there could be a malware within the program. I didn't have time to check this more closely. Okay, I found three issues with these devices. First, the installation is pain in the ass. Second, there aren't any servers located in Europe region. Three, the malware. So for those reasons, I cannot recommend Yeelight products to anyone. Thanks for watching, guys.